Hi guys, today we will talk about Facebook group, that how we can delete our Facebook group permanently. If you're new, so please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Now let's start. So first of all, we will click on our Facebook app. Now Facebook is open, and here we will click on this three line in the corner. Now scroll down and click on groups option. Here we will click on your group option, and now we will click on our group. So I will click on my group. Now my group is open, and here we will click on this star icon in the corner. Now a menu is open, and here we will scroll down, and in the last here we can see delete group, so you should click on this option. So I will click on delete group. So once again here we can see delete group by leaving. Since you are the last admin and member, leaving will also delete this group. So it's mean that if you are a last man, if you delete this group, so it will be permanently deleted. So I will click on delete group. So now here we can see my group isn't appear, so it's mean that my group is permanently deleted. So you can also delete your Facebook group with this process. And thanks for watching. Goodbye until another video.